This is assignment 5.1. This is assignment 5.1 question. Okay. So I started off with the select star from the vendors, and to solve the problem fully, we need the vendors and invoice table. We need data from both. So I used an inner join to join the vendors and invoices and connected them through the vendor ID, because that is the primary key in the vendors table and the foreign key in the invoice table, I believe. And then in the select clause, I put the vendor name, concatenated the vendor first name, vendor last name with a little space, and named it as contacts. Add the state, so we know what state, because we're only looking for data from the states of Tennessee and California. And we have the vendor phone number. The payment date, because we're looking for any the data between December of 2019, December 1st of 2019, and December 31st of 2019. And then I used the sum clause of the payment total, and even though it's not listed here, the payment total from the invoice table as the total and shipping freight amount. And here in the where clause is where we got most of our things going on. So like I said before, we want only data from the Tennessee and California, and we want the payment date between December 1st and December 31st, where the payment total is over 500. But actually, wait, I think it's supposed to be over 250 if I'm not correct. Yeah, okay, let me change that. Or it's over 250, my mistake. And then I used a group by function to group most of the things in the select clause, because we have this aggregate function here, and if we didn't summarize it in a group by function, it would not have run. And here we have the outcome. It's not exactly the same as the outcome here, which is worrying, but it works. And here we have the amount, the payment date, phone number. All of them are for California. I tried running a separate query. I'll do it quickly now. I tried running a separate query to show all the states, to try to see if there was vendors, to see how many vendors are from Tennessee. And I think when I ran it, I only found one. Where's the mouse? Okay. Let's see. Yeah. See, I don't see it. There's one from Tennessee, but I'm assuming that it just doesn't fit the other stuff in the where clause, which is why it doesn't pop up when I run the query. Yeah, that's assignment 5.1.